Good morning folks, if you're on here, my name is James, how you do? And welcome to today's weekend vlog. It is a daily vlog if you are watching from James Eccles Transport Vlogs, but if you're watching from James and Grace Vlogs, it's a full weekend vlog for you guys. Let me just put some light on, because it's quite dark out there today. It's probably going to be raining today, but I will have a look shortly. So I'm going to put that on and step over here. So the plan for today, it is Friday the 21st. I'm going to mention the I'm going to mention the other thing. 25th of April 2023. 4 day long, and it is the 21st, I think. Yes, 21st /04 /2023 for the short. There you go, and it is 09:15. I always start after 9 o'clock on a Friday, unless I'm going out as per normal, but quite early. So there you go. So the plan of the action for today is unknown, but it looks like it is raining out there, but I'm going to have a look on my phone. Yes, it's really until midnight. That's what it says. Anyways, as I was saying with the other thing, today and Sunday for the daily, and then back to normal Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Well, Friday through to Sunday next week will be a full weekend vlog, so it won't affect you guys on both channels. So today, or this morning, I got up roughly about 8 o'clock, got on the computer, just watched a football video, not a proper football match, but if I say score a goal against a goalkeeper from basically average league to National League, League 2, League 1, Championship, and the Premier League. I'm not too sure when it was posted, but it has been came up on my YouTube and I watched it. And then I'm going to be turning out until about 10. But next thing what I'm going to do is to add or change the times for the transport videos on James Eccles Transport and Vlogs to get that sorted out. But it's quite there's a big gap. I mentioned this before in a previous video, so yeah. Anyways, probably about 10 to 10, I'm going to phone my nan to see if she wants up, and if she wants me up. If so, then I will be going up if it's raining or not. If it's raining, then I'll definitely get a bus, at least to village, or to Oughtibridge, and walk up probably, and then make my way into town / up to Nunnery, look for tram 16, and probably do a bit of buses if it's not raining. If tram 16 is not out and it's doing the depot, then I will head back here and continue what I'm going to do this morning. Is basically to change dates and times. Still going to be 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12:30 for the weekend, mainly for Sunday. 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock at night will be transport videos, and at 5 o'clock will be a vlog, especially in May. So yes, so that's that. This weekend on Saturday, tune out for morning, and then probably about 12 o'clock get ready, at half 12 set off down to Grand, and then when we finish there, walk back here and chill out for the rest of the day, and then tomorrow or Sunday will be bit down at BHF. So short and sweet, and it is about 9:20 right now. Yeah, I'm currently on the computer. I'll put on what I've got on. Let's bring you around here. Yeah. Ooh, it's about to come in as well, just in time. Okay, what got on Seaton Tramway down in Devon. So on that being said, and there might be different sound quality today. I'm about to put basically dead cat / mic wind protector on them words. Yeah. But on that being said, I'm going to hopefully make myself a cup of tea, and then do some naming. Well, resetting of times and dates. So if anything changes, I'll see you about lunchtime if I'm in. If not, and if I'm out, I'll see you towards Oughtibridge, or when I come back here. On that, I'll catch you all in a bit.
Don't worry, not another review. Wondered if anybody had grandchildren who would like this wagon. 3 to 88. If you look in the second drawer down,
Let's see if I got splashed today. A quick walk because there's a car coming. As I said, I don't mind getting a bit of spray off the cars, but off main puddles I do mind. But I've got two videos anyway I busted, but I say if I can make it a hat trick to get free, but we will see about that one. I do apologise if the sound quality is not good because I'm trying the mic, soon to be a new mic on the camera soon. Might put it on later on today. I'm hoping the quality will be sounding much better compared to towards the wind. But I'll catch you when I get to Middlewood. Okay folks, it is now 21:16 or 9:16 PM UK time, and here's my tea of the week. This is my my third one today, compared to mainly yesterday. Sorry. Anyways, what have I done? And before I will kick off the video, okay, what I'm going to be talking about for today. This evening, there's no new comments because last one was on 13 days ago, and our number of subscriber was 570, so that's what it will be, 570, as this is a weekend vlog for you guys on James Eccles Transport Vlogs, or JET and V for short. It's probably something I will get confused about, but hey ho. Anyways, what have I done today? Normal routine for a Friday when I'm here. And when I go up to my nans, and what I do on a Friday mainly. I go up, lay in bed for a bit, watching videos, YouTube videos on social media and all that jazz. Then go on the computer for a bit. After 9 o'clock started the vlog. Then about 10 to 10 show my nan, see if she wants salt, or if she can think of anything what she wanted. Then went to the shop, got out to my nan's, little paper shop first, dropped off something off for my mum as well. Then walked up to Church Street. As soon as I got into Oughtibridge, it started to rain. Then got to my nan's about 11:30 ish, I think. It was about 11:30, I think it was. Then chilled at my nan's for a bit. Set off about 12:30, 1:15. set off, had a walk down, got 2 videos of the buses. My plan was to get 3, 2 stagecoach. Stagecoach 57 was bound for Oughtibridge. Another 57 was bound for Moor Market or city centre, and the other one is that's both stagecoaches, and the other one was South Pennines Community Transport. I think it were what runs on the 58 to Moorcrest side. About 20 past 1 off Middlewood, off the New Estate. It is about 8 minutes past off Hillsborough, if it were running on time, but I'm not too sure because I did not see it. So yes, if the sound quality sounds a bit different compared to normal, I put where's my other bit? I basically put a wind muff on top of the camera over the speakers. One of those is on top of the camera. I can't actually see it myself, but there is one there. But this morning, if sound quality sounds completely different to now, was thought so as no wind. Plus, I did not actually put the in the other words, a dead cat on top of the camera. It had one of these, if I can find it. Yes, there they are. I had one of those on first, just on its own. One of those, one of these were on. You can actually see the missing one right there. One of those on this morning or last night, and then tonight I put one of these on. So hopefully when I'm out and about, the wind quality on the vlogs will be completely different. Fingers crossed. But anyways, so about 12:30, 1:15, set off, had a walk down to the village, down to the bottom, had a walk on to Middlewood, where it wasn't raining. But when I got to Middlewood, then this end, it started raining again. So basically, set off from here this morning, about 10:30, wasn't raining. Got to Oughtibridge, it was raining. It started to rain. When I left my nans, about 12:30 this afternoon, it wasn't raining. When I got back this end, it started to rain. So my plan was not going out. Coming back here, going on the computer, doing a bit of catch up, and then just basically not pricing, redating the videos. So basically, my latest one, what I've currently got on the Thursday the 6th of July, that might be going up. It probably will be going up probably a bit earlier than probably Thursday the 6th of July at probably 8 o'clock that morning, or Wednesday the 5th, or Tuesday the 4th of July for our American friends, 4th of July celebrations. So yeah, that's for those over in America, in the United States of America, USA. So yes, that's another example. Not at the moment in time, it's actually Thursday the 6th of July 2023 at 6 PM or 1800 hours. That is not going to be it. I already mentioned in a previous video. So yeah. Anyways, done a bit of that. Just been watching a few videos on Facebook as well, and a few videos on YouTube as well as, and just chilled out for the rest of the day, etc. So yes, and tonight I'm going to edit this vlog and probably upload it for tomorrow. I'll upload it tomorrow for whatever day it will be. Can I see? Yes, I can. This one will go up actually on Tuesday the 9th of May. And tomorrow's video will go up on the 10th, Wednesday the 10th of May. And then Sunday's video will go up on the 11th, Thursday the 11th of May 2023 at 5 PM UK time or British Standard Time. But if you're watching from the on James and Grace Vlogs, I'm going to be sorting that out soon. I don't know when. Anyways, other things what I'm going to do for the rest of the night, as I said, edit this. Might do a bit more of sorting of videos, redating them and timed, and then probably put a bit of music on over that while doing so. And that's the plan. Anyways, on that being said, if you are watching from James and Grace Vlogs, do not panic, there is another clip to come. But if you're watching from James Eccles Transport Vlogs, this is actually the last bit. So, thank you so much for watching. If you're around here, my name is James Ido. Everything you need to know is in the description down below. That's information about today, the last vlog, last weekend vlog. That's social media, that's Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook group. Other channels that I run, that's James and Grace Vlogs, James Eccles Transport Vlogs of course, J&M Travel Transport and Chat Show, and James's Games. So please subscribe, like, comment, put your notification on another upload, and I will see you all tomorrow for another day of vlog. If not, then I'll see you in a few seconds if you're watching from the full weekend vlog. So be everybody, bye.